Hi you all, welcome back. Today we're going to start the BMW series. We're going to go through that bike, get that thing ready for to ride. So today I'm going to start with the handlebars, see if we can get into those switches and clean those up. What's happening is the turn signals work, but when you go to the right side or the right turn signal, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I believe I can get away with cleaning those switches up if I can get in there. And everything should work again the way it should. So let's get started on it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take off the mirrors. Mirrors in good shape, they don't need to be replaced. Now we're just going to take these out. We're going to clean out these screws eventually. Let's take apart this switch. 2 Phillips screws on the back side. And the high beam passing light switch also does not work. So let's see if we can get that out of there. There's a Phillips screw underneath that holds that in place. All right, so check this out. This is why I go through every bike I own or I buy. All right, guy said he put a battery in. Look at this. Look at this. It's so loose. Look at this. All right, now you know why I do maintenance on my own bikes. Yeah, he put a battery in. It looks brand new, but none of the terminals are tight. All right, let's get back to what I was doing here. All right, these switches, it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get inside of these things to clean them out, especially the turn signal switch. I'm just going to use some electric cleaner. The thing I can't get to work is the flasher. Alright, so basically to make this thing work, the passing light, flasher, whatever you want to call it, high beam, I just have to shave this down because it is worn out a little bit. So I had to get more of the switch to go in, or the button. So I just shaved it down a little bit and it works fine. Look at that, works good. And now, high beam switch works, horn works, left turn signal works, right turn signal works. And it seems to work every time. All right, so everything's cleaned up. Blow that out a little bit. Happy with that. All right, so all I'm gonna do now is take some coarse sandpaper and I'm gonna smooth out that switch where I cut it down a bit. Look at that, beautiful. Turns nice and easy now. Wow, what a difference. Everything's working really smooth now. So the idea here is not to spend a ton of money on this bike. I just wanna make sure it's good in running condition where it's not gonna have any issues. Oh yeah, be careful. I totally forgot this thing had heated hand grips, so I ripped the hand grip out. Oh well, I'll have to try and solder it all back together. So this switch column is all set. Now we're gonna do this side. Everything does seem to be working on this side, but I do want to get into those switches, clean them up a little bit, get that, you know, all good to go. All right, so we're gonna take this switch apart, switch housing I should say. It's all full of dirt in here. Just clean them up as best as I can. You are able to get into that thing and spray it, especially this one down here, the ignition switch or the starter switch. All right, the hazard light one I already fixed. I sprayed in between here, some holes in it. You get in there, you spray it. I did the ABS, and they all seem to work really smooth now. But there is a wire for the ABS that's actually disconnected. Gonna go ahead and reconnect that, or attempt to. There we go. And there we go. Sweet. All right. All right, so that's good. The switches are good. This is a little clean. Out there inside here. Clean that up real quick. And again, I'm just using the electric clean. So we're done for today. Switches are all working, and the ABS actually works. It was moving, but it wasn't turning on or off the ABS because the wire obviously was disconnected. So it's good. It's all soldered back in. Everything's good. Again, I want to reiterate, I'm not trying to make this brand new. I just want to go through the bike, fix the small issues I have with it, and spend the least amount of money doing this. Next time we come back, we'll probably go ahead and do the forks. Or get the forks removed off the bike to do those seals. So you all take care. See you later. God bless. Bye-bye.